Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about the words once, twice, sometimes, always, never. All these words express frequency. So we're going to have a look at several of them. The idea is not to learn them all today, but it's more like you know them, you're aware of them, and every time you come across these situations when you have to use these kind of expressions, come back to this video, watch it again, and yeah, and bring them back to your conversation. So let's start with the concept of one time, two times, three times, four times. I've heard a lot a common mistake here. They do the literal translation when people want to say one time or two times or three times. They say un tiempo, yeah, or dos tiempos or tres tiempos. um, it's wrong. We don't have the word, we don't use the word time for frequency. We use the word vez. So vez means one time, dos veces mean two times or twice, tres veces means three times. So muchas veces means many times. So the word vez, which is feminine, la vez, yeah, it's going to be the word we use for frequency in English. Time, one time, two times, three times, yeah. So please don't make this mistake. Un tiempo, like once or one time, it's going to be completely wrong. We're going to have to use una vez, dos veces, tres veces, muchas veces, and so on. Now, once a week, if we want to say the a, we're going to use a, la, or a, el. If it's masculine, a, el. Remember that a plus el becomes al. Yeah. So to say once a week, we're going to say una vez a la semana. So why do we put la here and no a el? Well, it's because la semana is feminine. La semana is feminine. That's why we say una vez a la semana. If it was month, which is the word mes. Mes is masculine. El mes. So it's tres veces a el mes. But what happens here is that a plus el becomes al. That's why there is an al here and no a el. Yeah. So that's how you express frequency, like once a week, once a month, once a year. El año is masculine, so it will be twice a year will be dos veces al año because año is masculine. Yeah. Nunca, never, siempre, always, easy. Todos los días. The word every in Spanish doesn't necessarily mean all of them. Uh, it means like uh, each also. So when we want to say every day, like all of the days, every single day, we're gonna use todos los días. Every Friday, todos los viernes. Every week, todas las semanas. Yeah. Um. So yeah, todos los días, every day, todos los viernes, every Friday, todas las semanas, every week, todos los años, every year, and so on. A veces, well, we already said that vez is the word for, one time, two times, three times, dos veces, tres veces, muchas veces, and so on. If you want to say sometimes, we're going to say a veces. Sometimes, a veces. Um, Casi, almost, al menos, at least, and a lo sumo, at most. These last three expressions don't help us to show frequency, but they are expressions we used before. We sometimes say like almost every day, or at least three times a week, or at most, I don't know, five times a month. So use these expressions to be more precise with your frequency, I really like the word casi, almost or nearly. We use this word a lot. Um, so actually, uh, when we say most of the times, we say casi siempre. Um, we never say casi casi todas las veces. We don't say that. We say casi siempre most of the times. Casi siempre, or barely, like casi nunca. Yeah, casi nunca. It's very common. Casi nunca, casi siempre. So casi nunca, casi siempre are very used, like most of the times, or not very often. Um, so yeah, that will be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understand how this works. And again, you're not supposed to learn all these expressions, but I'm pretty sure you're going to come across situations when you have to use this, and you're going to come back to this video and review it, and do it better the next time when you face this. Muchas gracias. Yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.